In order to change your wallpaper on your desktop computer, you can customize your desktop with these simple steps. First, right-click on the desktop and then tap on Personalize. Then click on Background and choose Picture. Go for solid colors and then pick a color. You can also tap on this browse option over here and then search for the images that you want to set. You can adjust the fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, span, and tap on Apply. Another thing you can do is open the File Explorer, find the image that you want to set as wallpaper. Then after, tap on these three dots over here, then tap on Set As. You'll get 4 different options of lock screen, background, and add title. Go ahead, select lock screen or background, whichever you want, and you'll be done. Or you can also go to Settings, then after go to Personalization, then go to Themes and choose a theme. Click on Apply, which includes wallpapers, colors, and sounds. Always remember to use high-resolution images for clarity and organize wallpapers in folders for easy slideshows. Try dynamic wallpapers with apps like Wallpaper Engine for animation. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.